Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now here is a simple tutorial for people with short natural hair that won't need you to go to the salon. So in today's video we are going to do a low puff, and since we have short natural hair we are going to use a small extension. This is something you can find at your local salon or in shops that sell beauty products. So because we are going to use a lot of gel, it's really nice if your hair is freshly washed before you try this style. So maybe the day before, wash your hair and make sure you moisturize it really nicely. If you can braid it the day before, I think that will really help, because as we know, natural hair shrinks after every wash. So personally, I braid mine to straighten it out, and it also makes it easier for me to comb before I do this style. So I'm going to do a simple middle part in my hair, and as you can see, I'm really just trying to make sure that I have a really straight looking puff, because when you put the gel and it stretches out your hair, if you have a zigzag in your head, trust me, it's going to show. So just make sure that the middle part is really perfect. So now that my parting is really perfect, I'm going to go ahead and just comb my hair, make sure I don't have a lot of frizziness, and also that my hair is detangled very well. So as you can see, my hair right now is really easy for me to manage, and that goes back to what I said earlier. If you braid your hair the day before, moisturize and braid freshly washed hair the day before, it will give you a little bit of softness. So by the time you're trying to comb out your hair, you don't have a lot of hassle. And since this is a style where your hair needs to be laid down flat, it really needs to be easy for the comb to just go through your hair. So if you have natural hair, I think this is something that I should recommend you to get this brush. It's really soft on the hair and it's very gentle, but at the same time it slicks down your hair really nicely without a lot of hassle. So this could be a very good investment for you right now if you have natural hair. So now that I'm done brushing my hair, I'm just going to hold my hair into a puff. You have to be careful where you position your hair, because you don't want the extension to hang very low. So choose what works best for you, and make sure that you use a band that is also going to hold your hair really nice and tight. Not tight enough to hurt you, but tight enough to give you perfect hold at the back. So after securing your hair into a nice puff, just make sure that you comb any flyaways. You may find that some sections of your hair are bulging out. So before you put any gel into your hair, just make sure that your hair is really flat, because the bulges are a sign of hair that is actually not combed very well. So go through it with a brush and then it will be of help. Now for extra hold, you can also start applying the hair gel in your hair. So I'm using the Eco Styling Gel. It's quite easy to use, and I think you can easily find it in any beauty shop. So what you want to do is apply it to your edges first, and then you can brush through the rest of your hair to make sure that you slick down all the flyaways and slick down all your hair, and then you will have a really nice shiny finish. So putting on the extension with an elastic band is really quite easy. All you have to do is just dress the puff and make sure that you adjust the elastic band until you feel like it's really having like a nice snug hold at the back of your hair. Then stretch it out and put it around your hair until the entire band is fully stretched. So when you get to the end of the band, you just have to make sure that you clip it to get out of the dough. So I think that's a good testament to the fact that if you have natural hair, you don't need to be going to the salon for such a simple style. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you found value and if you enjoyed it, please make sure that you give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment in the comment section if you have tried this, and make sure that you subscribe. Bye guys.